Most people think of Earth's atmosphere as just air, something we breathe without thinking about it. But the atmosphere is not just air. It is pressure, protection, insulation. And without it, Earth stops being a planet we can live on. So what would happen if Earth's atmosphere suddenly disappeared? Not thinned out, not damaged, completely gone. The change would be instant. The first thing to vanish is sound. Sound needs air to travel. Without an atmosphere, the world becomes silent. No voices, no wind, no explosions, just quiet. At the same time, air pressure drops to zero. Your body is built to live under pressure. Without it, fluids inside your body begin to expand. You would not explode, but your lungs could no longer function. Blood vessels are stressed. Breathing becomes impossible. Within seconds, most humans lose consciousness. The sky changes next. Without an atmosphere to scatter sunlight, the sky turns black. Even in the middle of the day, Earth would look like deep space. The sun would still shine, but the familiar blue sky would be gone. Then comes the heat. Earth's atmosphere traps warmth through the greenhouse effect. Without it, heat escapes into space almost instantly. Surface temperatures begin to fall rapidly. At the same time, the oceans react. Without atmospheric pressure, water begins to boil at much lower temperatures. Not because it is hot, but because pressure is gone. The surface of the oceans starts to vaporize into space. Earth begins to lose its water. Radiation follows. The atmosphere blocks most harmful radiation from the sun and from space. Without it, ultraviolet and cosmic radiation reach the surface directly. DNA damage increases instantly. Plant life dies. The surface becomes hostile to all complex life. Technology fails alongside biology. Satellites that rely on atmospheric drag calculations lose stability. Electronics exposed to radiation malfunction. Any remaining power systems shut down. Within minutes, Earth resembles Mars, a cold, silent world. Thin or no atmosphere, no surface water, no protection. But here is the most important part. Earth has lost atmospheres before. Mars once had rivers and lakes. Venus once may have had oceans. They lost their atmosphere slowly, over millions of years. Earth losing its atmosphere instantly would be far worse. Life would not adapt. It would end. Not in a dramatic explosion, but in a rapid collapse. The atmosphere is not just air. It is the reason Earth is alive. It keeps temperature stable. It protects life from radiation. It allows liquid water to exist. It makes sound, weather, and breath possible. Remove it, and Earth becomes a lifeless rock in space. So here's the real question. If Earth's atmosphere began thinning tomorrow, would humanity notice in time to save itself? Or would the planet quietly cross a line we can never come back from? Tell me what you think in the comments. You are watching Myndora, where curiosity meets the unknown. If you value calm explanations of dangerous ideas, subscribe and keep asking what if.